Hey guys, Daniel Gourley here from 5 Words Media, and we are back with one of our favorite manufacturers, which is ADJ. And guys, I get to spend time today with this awesome light. This is the ADJ Focus Profile fixture, and guys, this is a big light. It's got a lot packed into it, and we're going to unpack that here today. So the Focus Profile from ADJ is a 400 watt LED engine fixture. I mean, guys, that's crazy. It's 400 watt white LED engine fixture. It's got some different things inside it, gobo wheels for color and for patterns, and then it also has what they call CMY flag system. But before we get into that, I'm going to show you guys what this guy can do. So right out of the gate, if we turn this guy super bright, it's so bright. Guys, I can even see, I don't know if you can see, I can see the dust particles in front. It's insane. This thing's cool. All right, and then we have a couple of options. We have a very tight zoom, okay? So on the zoom, I'm looking at here, if I can find it, 7 degrees tight is our zoom. And at its widest, we can go to 45 degrees, which is just insanely bright. You can see it even just shining right on the camera there. So I'm going to go ahead and illustrate this a little bit better. I'm going to pan this over so you can see what it looks like on our wall over here. So let me grab it, and there's so many controls, it's like you got to find them all. All right, so I'm panning it, and let's see if you guys can see that okay. So this is going back to that zoom that we were talking about. So on the zoom for this fixture, like we said, we have the ability to not only zoom it in at 7 degrees like it is now, but this is that 45 degree. And then in here, because this is a spot fixture, we actually have the ability to focus the edges. So I'm going to go in here, and now I'm focusing the edges so I can get a clean, crisp, hard edge. So look at that, that looks amazingly beautiful. And then I have a lot of different things inside here. So let's just go through them real quick. I have static gobos, okay? So if I go in here, I can actually focus on some static gobos, and look, that one's doing like a cool little pattern kind of thing. But I can go in and I can get a really nice sharp gobo, okay? And remember I said these are the static ones, okay? Well, I can go out of this, and let's go and see if it has a different gobo. And it does, it has a rotating gobo wheel. So look, now I'm into this gobo wheel, and if I focus that in, I've got the ability to not only focus on that, it's not like just a static one, but it actually will index or rotate depending on what I need it to do, okay? So really, really cool, really, really effective, and there's a lot of different gobos in here, so we can literally pick up breakups, patterns, all of those things. Now, I want to show one other thing that's cool. So inside this fixture, not only do we have gobos and breakups, we have things that are called prisms. So we have a 3-facet prism in here, okay? We also have in here a linear prism, okay? So these are all extras that you can throw in here that basically break the beam up, and these can all rotate depending on what my goal is. I could extend this, and then also the zoom is also in the equation. I can zoom in, I can zoom super far out. I have a very flexible pattern fixture in this light fixture, okay? So I'm gonna actually pull out now the gobos that we were working on. And I know this is like super nerdy stuff, but that's okay. We have our big open, nice bright white. Now I can actually go in and start adding in that cyan flag. So we have a beautiful cyan blue, okay, that goes in there. We also have a magenta flag, so look at that. We also have a yellow flag, and then we also have a color temperature flag, so we can actually go in and start putting in that color temperature. So we have something that is super nice and balanced for a front key light. So a very, very flexible fixture for sure. All right, I'm gonna go back to this, and I wanna show something a little interesting. I'm gonna go back to that hard edge so we can kind of see it. And all right, beautiful, we have our hard edge. This is called a profile because a profile has shutters in it. So we have different framing shutters that allow us to take this light and adjust and angle the fixture, so we can come in and kind of start to section the fixture off depending on what we're looking to kind of achieve maybe I just took that circle and I made it down to a square. So again, super fun fixture, lots of features. This is a light that literally will do a ton of things, and you can place it out front, you can place it over the stage, pointed out. It is a flexible fixture for sure, and it's one of the ones that we love here at 5 Words Media. So if you are interested in the ADJ focus profile and you want a quote, you want a demo, you can reach out to us at sales@5wordsmedia.com. We will put together a proposal for you. We'll help you with all the specifics, help you get it into your control system. And we love this fixture, and we know that you're going to love it as well. So go ahead and hit us up at sales@5wordsmedia.com, and I will see you at the next Tech Talk. Bye.